Unit 1 practice. I can read, spell, write words and sentences with blends and digraphs. Sounds. My turn, then your turn. A apple a. E egg e. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up CH chin ch. TH thumb SH ship sh. Let's practice some more sounds. Sound, 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 sh, g, d, I, a, qu, a, b, a, ch, a. Now we're going to read some words. This word says, yes, drop. Word, flag. Word, frost. Trip. Lost. Let's practice tapping out or segmenting some words. Say flee. E. My turn, soap. Your turn, soap. Soap. My turn, rail. Your turn, my turn, nap. Your turn, nap. My turn, task. Your turn, task. My turn, brag. Your turn, brag. My turn, climb. Your turn, climb. My turn, stone. Your turn, stone. Now it's time to spell some words. Say print. Tap print. There are 5 sounds in print. Let's say the sounds as we write the words. Excuse me, as we write the letters. Print. Let's spell print. P-R-I-N-T. Next word, say grab. Tap grab. Grab. There are 4 sounds in grab. Let's write the letters while we say the sounds. G. B. Spell grab. G-R-A-B. Grab. Say blast. Tap blast. B-L-A-S-T. There are 5 sounds in blast. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. B-L-A-S-T. Let's spell blast. B-L-A-S-T. Blast. Next word. Say crab. Tap crab. K-r-a-b. There are 4 sounds in crab. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. K-r-a-b. And you might be wondering why we used a C for the K sound instead of a K. Well, if we take a look, there's one vowel in the word crab, and that's the letter A. When there is an A in a one-syllable word and it's all by itself, we're going to use the C as the K sound. Let's spell crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Next word, say lend. Tap lend. L-e-n-d. There are 4 sounds in the word lend. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. L-e-n-d. Let's spell lend. L-E-N-D. Lend. Let's take a look at the top here. We're going to read the words from top to bottom. Word. Yes. Print. Word. Yes. Grab. Word. Yes. Blast. Word. Yes. Crab. Word. Yes. Lend. Now we're going to read some phrases. First phrase says, frog on a log. Next phrase says, drop chips. Now we're going to write 2 phrases. The first one is on flat land. What's the phrase? Yes, on flat land. How many words are in our phrase? On flat land. Yes, there are 3 words in that phrase. Go ahead and take a minute to write the phrase on flat land. Sounds in on. Yes, on. Finger space. Sounds in flat. At. Finger space. Sounds in land. And. Let's read it. On flat land. We have all 3 words. Next phrase. Say, plant in a pot. How many words in our phrase? Plant in a pot. Yes, there are 4 words in our phrase. Go ahead, take a minute, and write our phrase, plant in a pot. Then we'll check it together. Okay, first word, plant. Sounds in plant. And so we have plant, finger space. Sounds in, finger space. A or that's a sight word. Finger space, sounds in pot. Pot. Let's check our work. Plant in a pot.